In fact, the formation of a unity government in itself was an achievement. If you put it into the context of the situation when the government was formed, prior to that, security and military transition was taking place. And Afghanistan was assuming responsibility for its security and stability from the international forces. And the bulk of the international forces were leaving Afghanistan and left Afghanistan before the formation of the unity government. At the same time, there was a political transition and lengthy period of elections, which had cast its shadows over the situation, economic situation, issues of governance, on the issue of corruption, which is still a big challenge. And then the formation of the unity government was welcomed by the people of Afghanistan.